Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to try to get this as a rolling chassis. You can see I found the rear wheel, the shocks are ready and the front wheel are done. So that's ready to go on. The rear wheel is not ready to go on exactly because I need to change this out, but I'm gonna put it on anyway, and when I am going to change the tire, which is probably gonna be a while, but before I will use this I will change both of the tires. So when I'm gonna change the tire, I'm gonna have everything here all done in, new sprocket and these bushings inside here and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna clean the wheel now, then I'm gonna find the parts to put the wheel on. As you can see now, we have a rolling chassis. Shocks are mounted, the wheels are mounted, the frame inside is mounted, and the rear frame and footrest. I'm missing a spring for the. I'm missing a spring for the side stand, so I have to wait a little bit to mount that. So today I'm going to start with disassembling the brake calipers and send those tomorrow to be powder coated. I tried to look on the internet to find these color codes. It's not that easy, and I know that the old RS have a goldish color to the brake calipers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to recoat all 4 calipers. 2 are going to be recoated in red, and 2 are going to be recoated in a gold color that I have found that I think is really close, or maybe the same color as the original color. So that's my plan. Everything is disassembled to 1,000 pieces. Everything is disassembled. We have two sets. One gonna be in gold and one are gonna be in red, like these are. And I'm gonna order in all the gaskets. All the gaskets and everything I need to refurbish the brake calipers. The brake calipers are back from paint. One set in red and one set in gold. It's a bit more shiny maybe than the original color, but I think it's pretty close. Which one do you think looks the best? The red one or the gold one? I personally think the gold one is coolest, but I don't know which one I'm gonna use. The red looks really good. I think it looks really good. So now I'm just waiting for new gaskets. I think they should come in a couple of days. Then the next video will be rebuilding the brake calipers, and yeah, start mounting it to the bike.